Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys my slimes. And yeah, just put you guys right there. First slime is this. Or should I just show you guys my squishes? I only have two, so it's gonna go by fast. So this one, the ears. It's not as squishy, but I like this one. Anyway, those are that one. And this pink one. Let me take it out. Ooh, sticky. I need to put them tied. Please don't use borax to make slime, because borax actually damaged my friend's fingers. Like they're crusty. Oops, sorry. Like they look bad because she was using borax. You could use icon solution, but I used Tide. Dirty. Ooh, I think I added too much Tide, but it's okay. Anyways, if you hear the talking, it's my cousin. He's watching a video on YouTube of the things that got erased on YouTube, whatever, blah blah blah. But yeah, so this is this one, and finish with the pink. Michael, could you lower it down a little? Right, that's
right here.
Huh?
At first it was right here.
Okay, leave it right there. So this is this one. Okay, and I have a bead one.
Number 6, the jetpack. The jetpack was such a loved and hated item. So the people who just absolutely loved it, and then the people who absolutely hated it. And personally, I didn't really care about it either way. If it was still in the game, I'd go with it. But since it's gone, I don't care either. I found it really funny how some people rage for the jetpack.
Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, they don't want to come out.
Here, there's Sam.
Yay! Oh my god, I'm gonna rip it in half. Wait, guys.
What do you mean rip it in half?
It's How much is there? What? Michael, look. Michael. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3. 4. Oh, Eco. Michael. These are yours, okay? Those? Yeah. Oops, my fell in. The back. Sorry for that. Wait, they don't fall behind. Oh, I just put this. No. Ow. I can have them right here. Okay.
Like my ring?
Sure. So this is this one. I still have more stuff. Okay, so those are the ones that I have. Oh, and this big pink one. I could show you these. Okay. So there's this one first. Just fell. There's this one. There's no dirt, it's not dirt, it's just leaves. They're not real leaves, they're glitter leaves. Look, but they're black. Well, blue. Bluish, blackish. Oh, it's dark blue there. Look. See? This is this one. I'm gonna take it out. It's a container. I borrowed the container. I didn't borrow it. I kept the container from a putty. The putty dried up. That's why. Ooh, this is kind of sticky. I did it wrong. Ow, the glitter hurts on it. Ooh, look at this. I don't know, he's watching, but okay. So this is this one. That's it. This one. What's that? Just kidding. This one. It's small. It's small, slightly. I have a smaller one though. I poke it with one finger. I'm just kidding. Poke it with all my fingers. But yeah, this one's finished. Okay, so I'm finished with this one. It's this color. Stickier than I thought it would be. There. But And then this one. I'm gonna do the same thing. That scared me. This one's so glassy. Got inside my drawer. Look at this. It's on the drawer. And this drawer is actually my clothes drawer. See? Oh. Yeah. The reason why I have shorts on is because I went to soccer. Like not real soccer. Well, I go to real soccer. Just like I just practice at the park. But yeah. Sorry if there's a fly in here. Or if you see a fly. Because there's a fly. And you just don't you hate it when people go like that and they go like that and without like doing that they just poke it like this. Look. They just poke it and then they go like that. Then they keep on playing with it. That gives me it gets me uncomfortable. So yeah, this is it. This one. Okay, I'm gonna show you this one, and then we have one more. Ugh. Like that's what they do. Oh my lord. Keep on messing up. Put it more wide. Oh yay, it looks like a butt, but okay. Actually it does. Wow. That's it with this one. So, this is this one. And this one is bigger on the bottom. Top it's clear, but not clear, but then this side, this side, okay there. Oh, let me just show you one part. I'm just kidding. Okay, this is a weird thing. There's only one glitter in this slime, like one. Look. Do you guys see it? Right there. That's the only one there. Look at that. Oh man, slow battery. Look at this. Guys, keep on falling. It's not sand, it's just glitter. Ugh, so sticky. I need to put more, what is it, tight in here. I like this one because it's the stretchiest one. So that's tight. What the heck? Oh yeah. Okay, just mix it. Okay, still stretch here. It's gonna go on my clothes. No, one under. Let me see if I could do a twirl. I don't think so because it's so slimy and stretchy. Oh my. So bad. Just so bad. This is one of the slimes. This is the last one. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here because like I don't have no more slimes. And so yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Showing my slimes. And like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. If you don't like it, don't subscribe. So, sure, bye.